things and mix it around, but come on, he ain't threatening Shelly. Shelly have so much enemies. She have so much enemies.
I know herself.
I know she for know herself.
I'm afraid of me now. Come here, watch Shelly.
Him not threaten her, because Shelly walk and make problem with whole heap of people, and you feel like I just one and two little people. She walk and make problem with a lot of people. Like if my man did want to do something, you know that something would have there already, but come on, we ain't have time for that. But him have to talk because the woman is a wicked. She wicked. And when I see Colleen talk, dancehall queen, when I see dancehall queen Colleen talk, me know say Colleen feel it. When I ever hear Colleen in a mix up with people, everything what Colleen say are facts. Everything. Everything what Colleen said was the truth. I'm going to tell you this. The woman do the show and she had somebody on the show to come and bring me down. You want to know what the person on the show say? You know what the person on the show say? The person on the show say, Pinkx, them girl they bat up and catch. But don't even know what the fuck that mean. I gotta say, all me do, I go around the dance hall and walk and drink liquor off of people's table. Huh? Is you stupid? What the fuck? Me I say, who that dirty girl here? Who that girl here? I look at hype, who the fuck is this? Me walk around and drink off of people's table? You must say blood clot crazy. The next thing where the dirty girl I gonna say is, me fuck out the whole of Portmore. Me didn't even come from Portmore. Everybody feel like someone come from Portmore because of cartel. That's how everybody feel like me come from Portmore. But I'm not from Portmore. About 3 person me ever date from Portmore. 3. Date. You hear that? Date. So when the person go say, oh, me fuck out the whole of Portmore, me have to really ease up. Me have to break up my ears and repeat it. Me I say, like, some of them people away go up on her show and this and that. I see them see her from a distance and I feel like say she's a nice person and feel like say oh she have links or something. And them a look something. But she not have nothing forgiven. You know why she not have nothing forgiven? Because her days is done. She fuck out the whole of what she fuck out already. And mash up the whole of what she mash up. So you see, what she could have do, what she could have do them time there, she cannot do it. No, why go and walk and talk? And you see what Pablo say, you see what he do? It can't rub out. So I better, yeah, I one of them thing there. All she do is live on Shorty name. Somebody just wait for Shorty box down her blood clot. You never know. After the woman invite me upon her show, you know, and say me I go do sting review. Then the woman come and ask me about Shorty and house. Me I say no, so that blood clot woman you set me up. I should have seen it from them time. The dirty Shelly, me and Shelly walk and talk. The woman invite me upon the show for do a sting review. And then now me, you're so fucking toxic. You start to ask me about Shorty and Cartel with the blood clot you ask me for. I said you try to set me up, moms. Yeah. I said you try to set me up, you know. I'm never blood clot, no enough people. And me I say, oh the fuck that woman is so wicked, man. Why the fuck you gonna ask me this? Me do even business about the people, them lifestyle. Me do even business. One. Every day you're paranoid up in your blood clot palace. But people out forget you. But you know why you're paranoid? Because you know say you walk and you make trouble with people. You diss up too much people and you don't know who is gonna fucking get you. So you're so fucking paranoid and then you live for this clout. Shorty a mother for true. Shorty is mad in her. She good mad. Mad out. Inside out. Yes, every day you live for Ramesh name. Oh, you do this for Ramesh. You do that for Ramesh. You do this for Ramesh. Ramesh answer your dirty blood clots. You get the answer of your life, though. You get the answer, you alright now? Let me answer you. Finally. Finally. You drag him left and you drag him right. You got Caan with Dovey to go manage Dovey as Dovey's manager. And you go over there and fuck Dovey selector. Big diplomat all like you. Huh? Menopause pussy. You go over there and fuck off the woman selector. You not talk about that. And him box out your blood clot one day. That's why I never do tea time for a couple weeks. Tell the people them that now. As much as me not around you, I get the tea. People who watch tea time, you know what is she not a selector no more? Go ask her why. Him box out her blood clot up in her house up there. Move your blood clots. Yeah, big old woman like she a take lick. Me a young girl. And me can say, me never did a man put them hand on me. Never. A young girl forget lick. Big woman no forget lick. Eh? Then that look good? More if that look good. As a big old woman. Boy, you want javelin. Move your redundant pussy. Move. Where? The dog have to put 2 bucks on it. Yeah. The dog put 2 bucks on it and calm it. Don't move, go inside. Where? Dirty girl. 2 blood clot. Anyhow, she not stop the next man. We go box her. Is our son gonna box her? Your son is gonna give you a box of a lifetime. But me do over here, sir, easy my blood clot self. And I do my thing. I won't beat her again. I won't cause she a try style the man. Woman, move. You want to take money, you want to take over. Where? You know see a old woman move. Take over there's done for you. Where? Move your blood clots. You call my name left, you call my name right. You drag my name left, you drag my name right. I'm tired of your blood clot now. I am tired of you. I'm tired of you. Dep on my fucking name, day and night. You just dep on my name, so you gotta do a whole fucking show. I mean, make you go on the show for true work and I'm add work and talk. For true. Oh, see my skincare line here. She the one.